Printworks has been successful for the last 20 years. What we wanted to do was bring it into the digital age with a new state-of-the-art refurbishment, the centrepiece for that being Europe's largest digital ceiling.
ADI were brought in at an early stage to offer consultancy, develop the vision that they had for a digital canvas within the Printworks. The installation was phased over a 2-year period. The nature of the canvas being on the ceiling, it meant it was quite a unique installation. The technology that ADI has designed and developed has seen the LED product evolve to being more of an architectural building material. This is helping architects and venues to look into deliver screens in places where you would never envisage them previously.
ADI have been really embedded in the project team right from the outset. The realisation just what the potential is for LED really captivates everyone.
ADI have acted as both a technical and creative partner. We've delivered not only the screens but also the playout solution.
It's been incredible to work on a canvas this scale and size, but really it's the content that brings it alive.
The digital ceiling is completely immersive. It's something that you can't see anywhere else in the UK.
This project really demonstrates what's technically and creatively possible in public venues.
So what we've done here at Printworks is unique, and hopefully it gives everyone involved in leisure a new expectation as to what's possible, which is really being driven by that technology and the advancements we've seen over the last few years.